This is my relay tester project. It uses a tiny FPGA board to switch up to 600 volts DC to a coil such as a relay. The switching of such a high voltage is made possible by an Infineon CoolMOS C7 Gold Super Junction MOSFET and an Infineon gate driver. Let me give you an overview of my circuit. This connector takes AC wall voltage in and converts it to 15 volts, which powers the gate driver and the MOSFET and most of the analog circuitry over here. Additionally, we have another module that converts the 15 volts DC to 3.3 volts for the FPGA. Here we have the Infineon CoolMOS MOSFET in a nice surface mount package along with the Infineon gate driver. This connector takes DC voltage in, and this is the switched output to the relay. It's switched by the Infineon MOSFET, and this is feedback from the relay to detect when it is closed. As you can see, I made a mistake on the footprint and got the size wrong, but this component up here is a comparator that I use to detect various states, and this component down here is an op-amp that I use as a voltage-controlled oscillator so I can measure the bus voltage, convert it to a frequency that could be read by the FPGA. The FPGA board is a tiny FPGA BX, which has a Lattice ICE40 FPGA. That controls the state machine that controls the entire circuit. Additionally, there's this UART header, so I could send status from this board to a PC. Now I have the circuit powered up. Unfortunately, that's when things went wrong. Whenever I had the probe in my hand, I touched something that I shouldn't have and burnt something up. I've tried fixing it, but there's a short somewhere and I really just don't have time to find out where it is. I'll include some videos that I took yesterday, but it's kind of disappointing that I can't record the actual product doing what it's supposed to.